The Human Resource Management and Development Office, HRMDO, City Government of General Santos, Philippines. Our organization, the Human Resource Management and Development Office, is the office that manages the recruitment, training, and development of the entire city government workforce. The department head of the Human Resource Management and Development Office is Leah Tolimao. She is a multi-awarded HR manager who has extensive experience in multinational corporations in the private sector. Her dynamic leadership is the source of the HR's strategic directions. She is a fellow in People Management and has received the People Manager of the Year award. Under Ms. Leah Tolimao are formidable women leaders who manage the following divisions of the HRMDO: Appointment, Selection and Placement, Structure Designing Division, Training, Evaluation and Development Division, Records Management Division, Welfare, Compensation and Discipline Division. The first HRMDO division is the Appointment, Selection and Placement, Structure Designing Division. The division is led by a female manager, Ms. Juliet Maratas. This division manages the recruitment and selection process of the HRMDO. They also design the structure of the various departments in the city government. The second HRMDO division is the Training, Evaluation and Development Division. This division is led by a female manager, Ms. Crisamor Clarissa. This division is responsible for the learning and development of employees, as well as the performance management of the different departments in the city government. The third HRMDO division is the Records Management Division. This division is led by a female manager, Ms. Hedenia Agostino. The division is responsible for keeping the records and plantilla of the city employees. It also manages the information system of the HRMDO. The fourth HRMDO division is the Welfare, Compensation and Discipline Division. This division is led by a female manager, Ms. Marlene Pilayo. The division is responsible for managing employee benefits, compensation process, and the various administrative committees. Another division in the HRMDO is the Administrative Unit. This division is also led by Ms. Crisamor Clarissa. The division is responsible for managing the day-to-day operations of our office. They make sure that budgetary and logistical requirements for HR programs are ready for effective implementation. The HRMDO established the HR Academy as the flagship learning and development program of the Human Resource Management and Development Office in the City Government of General Santos. This is the organizational structure of the Human Resource Management and Development Office. The HR is composed of 25 female employees and 18 male employees. This is a total of 43 dedicated individuals responsible to a workforce of 3,971 employees. Our vision: a global, dynamic, adaptable, meritocratic, and physically able employee. To achieve this vision, the HRMDO improved our systems, our workplaces, and our general outlook on work. Our mission: a friendly workplace that aims to provide a responsive service to a happy customer. The HRMDO created a framework to develop employees into high-performing talents. These are the accomplishments of the Training and Evaluation Division. This was implemented through the division led by Ms. Crisamor Clarissa. The HRMDO reformed and transformed the Human Resource Development Council. The HR Office reformed the Performance Management Team. The HRMDO created the Management Development Program, which is a set of interventions such as onboarding, coaching, mentoring, and capability building for our department leaders to accelerate their management proficiencies. The HR Office established linkages with foreign institutions and governments for our employees to study in their countries. These are the accomplishments of the Appointment, Selection and Placement, Structure Designing Division. These were implemented through this division led by Ms. Juliet Maratas. The HRMDO transformed the Personnel Selection Board. The HR Office implemented video calls during candidate interviews. The HRMDO introduced many interview techniques to assess the competencies of our applicants. The HR Office utilized the internet to post job openings in our web portal and social media page. The HRMDO implemented competency mapping. The HR Office implemented an induction program for new hires. The HRMDO used organizational development strategies to improve the city government departments and workforce. This is the accomplishment of the Records Management Division, implemented through the division led by Ms. Hedenia Agostino. The HRMDO incorporated digital records in the HR's client-server database application. These are the accomplishments of the Welfare, Compensation and Discipline Division, implemented through this division led by Ms. Marlene Pilayo. The HRMDO implemented a functional occupational safety and health program. The HR office introduced the ID ATM system as a way to enforce timekeeping and financial discipline to employees. The HRMDO established the Happy HR app, a web application that provides HR services, such as online filing and processing of leave applications, monitoring of employee health and contacts for easy contact tracing, track the submission of work outputs of work-from-home employees and those with alternative work arrangements, and to monitor mental health. The HRMDO established a travel incentive for retirees that allowed them to travel abroad in Thailand, Malaysia, South Korea, Singapore, and Hong Kong. The HRMDO upgraded the rewards for milestone awardees into plaques, gold bracelets, and rings. The HRMDO convinced the government to provide free healthcare and hospitalization package for employees. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the HRMDO took care of our employees through the 3Ps initiative, which means people first, positivity, and productivity. The HR office held a live stream discussion with the city government's frontline health workers. The HRMDO established a reading center for Biao Elementary School in partnership with the school administration. Ms. Leia received many awards not only for herself but also for the city government. The Civil Service Commission conferred the National Prime HRM Level 2 Bronze Award to the city government last July 2019. The city government won the Government Best Practice Recognition Award for its High Pera financial program last October 2020. The HR Development Program reached the national finals in the 43rd PMAP Awards last July 2019. The city government of General Santos won the Employer of the Year in July 2019. Ms. Leia won the People Manager of the Year last July 2019. HRMDO won the highly commended Best HR Strategy from Overseas Award in the HR Excellence Awards 2020 in London, United Kingdom. HRMDO won the Gold Stevie Award for Innovation in Human Resources, Management, Planning and Practice in the Government category in the 8th Annual Asia Pacific Stevie Awards 2021. The secret to our success is that we are not just mere co-workers in our organization. The HRMDO is a family. We learn, support, and rise together as one. We share our struggles and triumphs together as one happy family. Leaders have demonstrated that they can accomplish much if they put their minds and heart in whatever they do. They did it with dedication and teamwork and a happy smile that is willing to greet each employee a warm, happy HR. The consistency of HRMDO's outstanding performance is contributory to the organizational development of the city government. The leadership example of women in HRMDO remains an inspiration in the HR world, advocating that gender knows no boundaries in terms of achieving success and enjoying equal opportunities to excel at work. With this, HRMDO continues to be an inspiration in the field of public service to benefit the city, the country, and HR practitioners all around the world.